that thing again. You're dancing.
Maya's dancing with the mannequin. Woo! Go Maya. You did awesome.
Why won't this book open?
No, you can't take it off.
Why?
Because that's what it has to stay on.
Why?
Because it has to stay on. It's
It's
part of her.
helpful?
It's part of her outfit. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's part of her outfit. No, you can't take it off, Maya. Listen.
Hi, Maya's coming. Maya, you know your mom's gonna watch this?
What are you doing now? Okay, stop, because she's gonna fall. Yeah, she's gonna hurt herself if she falls.
Okay,